So let me start today. So last day we are discussing about double integration, and we have crossed out few problems there. Today we'll start again doing some problem. Then we go back to the next portion. That is the one counter example we will see. So let's start today. So first, see this problem. Evaluate integration, double integration over the region R in xy plane. In xy plane, dx dy is given. That means you have to integrate this region R lying in xy plane. You have to integrate this thing, and the region is given xy belongs to xy such that x belongs to 0 to a and y belongs to 0 to b. This simple region it is given. Suppose if I draw the region here x, this is suppose y, so you have to integrate along x equal to 0, x equal to 0 to a. So that is suppose this is x equal to a, and 0 to b, y is equal to b. That is suppose this is y is equal to b. So along this portion you need to integrate. So this is your R, this is the region. So along this region you need to integrate. So I'm writing here this region. Along this region you need to integrate. So this is your A, this is your AB, this is your 0B, like this. So now what you need to do, simply just when you have this rectangular type region, simply what you write, this is equal to, over the region R we are integrating. R is what? R region you can explain as x is equal to 0 to a, y is equal to 0 to b. That region covered. So x is equal to, simply write x is equal to 0 to a, integration y is equal to 0 to b, xy, x squared plus y squared. Suppose first you would like to integrate with respect, this is dx dy. Now suppose first you would like to integrate with respect to x. You can integrate either first with respect to x or first with respect to y, no problem. So first you suppose I am writing integration y is equal to 0 to b, the repeated integral style. Then integration x equal to 0 to a, then x square plus, all of you please mute your microphone, dx, then dy. So simply first integrate this thing. So when we are integrating this xy, x square plus y square with respect to x, in that case you consider y is a fixed value. Y is fixed value, that is constant you can treat. So this integration will be what? Y is equal to, from 0 to b, you integrate with respect to x, this thing you integrate with respect to x, what we are getting, just write down. So if you integrate with respect to x, first will be x cube, no? So x cube, that is, you can write, with respect to x cube is equal to, so this will be x cube y plus x y cube, x cube y plus x cube. We are integrating with respect to x, so this will be 1 by 4 x to the power 4 y divided by 4 plus x x square y cube divided by
2.
2. So now yes, now integration from this integration range is 0 to a dy. So then right, y is equal to 0 to b, this will be what? X value will be put here, so a to the power 4 y by 4 plus this will be a square y cube by 2 dy. Now you integrate with respect to y. If you integrate with respect to y, it will be what? It will be a to the power 4 y squared by 8 plus this will be a square y to the power 4 by 8, 0 to b. So this will be 1 by 8 a to the power 4 b square plus a square b to the power 4. Or you can take out from this a square b square, and that will be 1 by 8 square plus a square b square into a square plus b square. You can write. Okay, so this is one simple example. So you can simplify this and write your problem, the solution. 1 by 8 a square b square. This will be 1 by 8. You can write 1 by 8 a square b square into a square plus b square. That will be looks nice. Okay, this is one simple example. Now come down to another example. Evaluate integration over the region R, and the region is given that x greater equal to 0, y greater equal to 0, and x square plus y square less than equal to. So first you point out which one is your region R, how it looks like. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So x greater equal to 0 means this region x greater equal to 0, y greater equal to 0. That is the first coordinate. And x square plus y square is equal to 1. That circle I can center at 0 0. I can draw like this circle. This is your circle, but given is that x square plus y square less than equal to 1. That means this portion, it is denoting this portion only. So this is your R, this portion is your R. So first thing you need to do what, in line integration, double integration, or in triple integration. So first you have to judge along which portion you need to integrate. So this, along this region you need to integrate. So this is 0 point, and this point will be 1, this will be 1. Now how to represent this R? How to represent this R region? The point xy, x comma y, such that x greater equal to 0, y greater equal to 0, and x square plus y square less than equal to 1. That means what? I can write this integration. Suppose I first we vary x from 0 to 1. So if x vary from 0 to 1, if x vary from 0 to 1, then y varies from what? This line
0
to,
to root of 1 minus x square.
yes, correct. 0 to this line, this line to this line. Yes, so I can represent this line as y is equal to 0, and this curve as what? X square plus y square is equal to 1. That means y less than, so x, this will be x square plus y square is equal to 1. That is y is equal to square root of 1 minus x square. I am taking only positive sign because x greater equal to 0, y greater equal to 0. If total, if this limitation is not there, if this limitation is not given there, I will discuss about this. First, let me do this portion. So integration n will be 1 minus x square, then x square y square dx dy. So now we integrate this first with respect to what? You see, as the y integration variable is x, so I first
Sir, I have a
integrate with
doubt.
respect to, हाँ बोलो.
Sir, actually, why we are taking y equals to 0 in the lower limit? Because I think we should take y equals to 1 when x equals to 0.
Yes, sir. It's coming from 1 to root 1 minus x square, no?
Yes,
Rather
sir.
root 1 minus y square, because it is varying along y, no? And we have take
Okay,
we're integrating along x first.
okay. Over. Now listen to me first. See, you have to represent this portion, na? You have to represent this portion. So if you take first, I have taken what? X ranges from 0 to 1. So x ranges from 0 to 1, this portion. Along this portion, y ranges from where? This line to this line? Yes or no? First tell me. This line to this line? So
Yes,
what is
sir.
this line represent? What is the equation of this line? X-axis
Y equals
equation,
to 0.
y is equal to 0. So first I am taking y is equal to 0 to this line, this curve. This curve is represented as what? X square plus y square is equal to 1. That means what? Y, in terms of y, I can write y is equal to root under 1 minus x square. So I have taken like this.
Okay, sir.
But
Understood.
if you want to take y-axis first, you can take this limit like this. You also can take limit. How? First, someone is writing that y varies from 0 to 1. Y varies from 0 to 1 from this line, along this line. Suppose if someone is taking y varies from 0 to 1. In that case, x varies from this line to this line. That means x varies from 0 to root under 1 minus y square. That also correct. Okay. Now, so after that, how to integrate this one? How to integrate this thing? You just first we integrate with respect to y, then with respect to x. So you can write x equal to 0 to 1. If you integrate this with respect to y, what will happen? 1 by 3 x square y cube. 1 by 3 x square y cube. No? Then
Yes, sir.
is it correct? Okay. Is it correct? Or I have mistake?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Correct, sir.
Correct, correct.
So like this you can write, or x is equal to 0 to 1, 1 by 3 coming outside, x square into 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2 dx.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Now let me know whether you can complete this portion or not. You see what you need to do. You do one substitution, simply one substitution. So what type of substitution? When x square 1 minus x square is there, I must some
X square equals
substitute
to
x is
t.
equal to some cos theta or sin theta.
Sin theta cos theta.
So suppose x is equal to sin theta, x is equal to sin theta. So dx is equal to cos theta d theta. And as x varies from 0 to 1, theta varies from 0 to pi by 2.
Pi by 2.
So you can write this integration as 1 by 3 0 to pi by 2, x square is sin square theta, 1 minus x square is cos square theta, that is cos square theta to the power 3, that means cos cube theta, into cos theta d theta. Yes, this is 1 by 3 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta cos to the power 4 theta d theta. Can you complete after this?
Yes, sir.
How?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Using gamma function, we will convert it
Yes.
into gamma function.
Using
Not
gamma
gamma
function.
function,
The
beta
beta
function.
function.
Beta
Beta function.
The integration of
Beta
beta to
function.
gamma.
So you can write this 1 by 3. This will be 1 by 2 into beta of this plus this 2 plus 1 by
3 by 2.
3 by 2
by
and
2
5 by 2.
and 4 plus 1 by 2. So that's value you can calculate. Okay. So in this way you need to do. Now I will not complete this problem. I will just giving this problem that for your convenience you just do it in your own. I am explaining this. You see, first thing, this is actually one counter example. You see, if you go back to our last classes, there we have considered that two repeated integration. One is along dx first, then f of xy dy, x is equal to from a to b, y is equal to from c to d. And another integration, repeated integration, we consider there integration along y is equal to c to d dy, integration y is equal to a to b f of xy dx.
X equal to
And
A to B.
x is x is equal to a to b. Okay. We have considered these two repeated integration, and we have by the theorem we have also stated there that these two integration will be equal, and equal to these two integration will be equal and equal to integration over the region R f of xy dx dy only when these two repeated integration are integrable for each. This repeated integration integrable for each x, this repeated integration integrable for each y, and or continuous. In that case only this theorem valid. This is one counter example that this may happen, that may not be always equal. These two integration may not be always equal. This is one counter example. Please mute your microphone, all of you. All of you, please mute your microphone. So, all of you, please mute your microphone. Someone is
Sir, you can mute
unmuted.
him.
Sir, mute all.
Mute all is not good habit, because you cannot raise your.
Sir, you can mute him individually.
I can mute individual.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How to check?
Sir, it's in alphabetical order, so Batik Roy phone.
Okay, so you see, you integrate these two integration. First, I think you can do integration 0 to 1 x minus 1 x plus y y cube dy. First integrate this portion. First integrate this portion with respect to y, then integrate with respect to x, and check same thing you are doing, same integrand. First you are integrating with respect to x, then you are integrating with respect to y. Then you will get two different values changing by sign. You can get one value is, if I remember, one value will be 1 by 2, another value will be minus 1 by 2. So in that case we can say this region integration x minus y by x plus y whole cube dx dy does not exist. In that case, so when these two repeated integration are not equal, in that case we say this will be does not exist. Why does not exist? Actually, you see, at 0 point, at this 0 point, this function is not defined. If you put both at 0, x y both at 0, in that case you see 0 by 0 form, and it is not defined at this point. That's why it is not possible to integrate. Okay, so I am leaving this portion to you. You verify yourself that these two integration will you will get two different values. Now let me go to new portion. That first of all, change in order of integration. Sometimes you see, we are integrating, suppose the integration is given x is equal to some a to b, y is equal to some, suppose some phi x to psi x, and then f of xy dx dy. Okay, sometimes you can see, so what actually you need to do here, you see, if something is given like this, x is equal to a to b, which are constant, but y is variable from phi x to psi x, in that case first you need to integrate with respect to y these things, and then you need to integrate it with respect to x. Okay, so first you need to integrate with respect to y, then you need to integrate with respect to x. And when you are doing integration with respect to y first, and you can face some difficulty of in integration, that it may not be easier to integrate that portion. It is not be sometimes easier to integrate that portion. So in that case, what we will do, we try to change the order. Order change means we first try to represent this area in such a way that first we can integrate with respect to x, then we can integrate with respect to y. So suppose this is your x is equal to a to b, x is equal to a to b, and y function is suppose something like this. This is your phi x, y is equal to phi x, and this is something y is equal to psi x. So you have to integrate in this region. So here I am representing x is equal to a to b, then y varies from here to here. I can also say that x varies, y varies from this line to this line. I will calculate these two values. I can easily calculate these two values. I first represent that y varies from this. Suppose this value is someone c, this value is something d. So we represent that y varies from c to d. In that case, what will be the variation of x? That will be from phi inverse y to psi inverse y. So I will take one example. It will be more clear. Suppose this integration. It asks to do this integration. So what is given? Integration 0 to 1 y to 1 e to the power x square dx dy. So this is x equal to 0 to 1. Then y is okay. Let me write one thing. Suppose if I write simply a to b, c to d, f of xy dx dy. Simply if I write like this. Now let me know, in that case, nothing is given, whether the range is x equal to a to b or y is equal to c to d. Nothing is given. So what you understand? You have to understand that first integration, you see, this is first with respect to dx. This first integration will be from a to b. Next, the c to d will be for this one dy. And when you write in a bracket a to b, integration c to d, f of xy dy first, because c to d limit is for dy, then dx. So make it clear. So similarly, here it is given from x equal to 0 to 1, x is equal to, so it is given, I am writing x is equal to 0 to 1, y is no, sorry, this is
Y is equals to 0 to 1. X is equals to y to 1.
the problem is given. This will be dy first. This will be dy first, and then dx. This will be dy first, then dx. That this integration first from y is equal to 0 to 1, then integration from x is equal to y to 1 e to the power x square dy dx. Or I can simply write this thing. If you simply integrate, in that case what you will do? Y is equal to from 0 to 1, x is equal to y to 1 e to the power x square, then dx first. Missed out something with respect to dx. Yes, dx first and then dy. Now see, if you do like this, in that case integration of e to the power x square, will it not be a complicated thing to integrate e to the power x square? It will be a little bit complicated. Okay, so in that case what we will do, first see the region, whether I able to change the order or not. See the region. This is x, this is y. Now, so what are the region? Y is equal to from 0 to 1. So y is equal to from 0 to 1. That means from x axis to y is equal to from 0 to 1. That is, this is y axis. Y is equal to 1, this one, and this is your x is equal to 0 line. Sorry, y is equal to 0 line. So first range is y is equal to 0 to 1. Second is x is equal to y to x is equal to 1. What is x is equal to y? It is a straight line passing through this. So from x is equal to y to x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 means line. So this portion, this is your R actually, the region. This is your R region. This is 0. This is 1. So first given y is equal to 0 to 1. Y is equal to 0 to this one is 1. This one is 1. This one also 1. So y is equal to 0 to 1 is given, that y is equal to y varying from 0 to 1 and x varying from this line to this line, that is from x equal to y to this line. I can write hello, please mute your microphone.
Sir, mute all.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, so I can write, first I would like to integrate with respect to x. I would like to limit with respect to x. So I can write same region as from x is equal to 0 to 1. I can write from x is equal to 0 to 1. No issue. X is equal to 0 to 1. And y from this line to this line. That is from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x. So I am writing from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to x e to the power x square. Then first we integrate with respect to y, then with respect to x. Is it clear? I am just changing the limit by seeing the region. Now you see, when you integrate with respect to y, e to the power x square will be constant. So it will be easy to integrate. So the integration will be what? X is equal to 0 to 1, x is equal to 0 to 1. Then integration will be what? Y into e to the power x square. That will be x into e to the power x square only dx. So that will be what? Now this integration will be easy. 1 by 2 you can write 0 to 1 e to the power x square into d of x square. So that will be simply e to the power x e to the power x square up into e to the power x square 0 to 1, that will be equal to 1 by 2 e minus 1.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Bolo.
sir, can you please explain the step where you change the limits?
Is
Yes, sir.
don't
Yes, sir.
make it, don't make yourself confused so much. There's nothing happening very tough things here. You see, what first you represent what you have. These are the lines, these are the curve. Forget about the integrate now. First, simply write what you have. So what you have, we have y is equal to 0 line. So y is equal to 0 line. This is the x-axis. To y is equal to 1. This is the y-axis. Sorry, parallel to x-axis. Y is equal to 1. Then x is equal to y. This line. Then x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 is what? X is equal to 1. This line. Parallel to y-axis. So I have drawn. So bounded by this line, the region is our R. This is your R. R is represented like this. Y is equal to 0 to 1, x equal to y to 1, this. Now I would like to integrate by changing the order, means here y limit is given constant. I will making change that x limit is constant. So you see, I can write the same thing in a same in a different way as x. I will first vary x from 0 to 1. So x varies from this 0 to 1. X as x varies in this line, as x varies in this line, along this line, y vary from here to here, like this. So x varies from 0 to 1. So I'm writing x equal to 0 to 1. Y varies from 0 to x. 0 to this line, this is what? This line is y is equal to x. So 0 to x. So y varies from 0 to x. Okay. Then anyway, why I am doing? Because of this integrand. See, if we able to integrate this with respect to y first, that will be easier. That's why I am doing this. So this is called change of order change, changing order. So similarly, you see this. I have not taken any integrand. I am simply arbitrarily I am taking f of xy, whatever the thing. And you are asked to change the order. Asked to change the order. So I will change
Sir,
this
can you
order.
show previous slide once, sir, please? Scroll down, sir, please.
बोलो.
Okay, thank you, sir.
बोलो. Are you copying?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Sir, I had to take the screenshot, sir.
Sir,
मैं तो भेज देता हूँ ना सब कुछ.
sir,
I'll
can
send
I
it to-
say?
हाँ बोलो बोलो.
Sir, actually, suppose there is instead of e to the power x square, there is something which can be integrated very easily, and we can integrate it without changing the orders. So, will it be same as changing the order? Means if we change the order
value same,
and if we don't change.
value same value.
Okay,
The
sir.
same value. You will get the same value.
Okay, sir.
You will get the same value.
Sir, I have one doubt.
हाँ बोलो.
The first part of the question, why was the dx dy changed to dy dx? I mean, there is any here related to the order.
Actually, you see the fast integration, if when whatever we have this, the suppose dy dx is given, that means this limit range is with respect to y,
Okay.
and then dx, this limit range is with respect to x. This is the format, right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, another thing that change the order. Simply, I have not given any problem here. F of xy is given. I ask you to change the order. Let me check whether you are getting to the point or not. So change the order means here what we have given, the limit range is y is equal to 0 to 1 dy, and this is x is equal to 0 to root y. So how to change the limit? So first you draw the region. What you have? First you draw that. So what you have? Y is equal to 0 means x-axis. So y is equal to 0 means x-axis. Y is equal to 1 means parallel to x-axis. This is your y is equal to 1. So this is from y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 1. So this will be 1. This will be 0. Okay. Now, so y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Then draw x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means y-axis, this line, to x is equal to root y. How this graph looks like? You can see this is actually a parabola.
Parabola.
Square is equal
Parabolic, sir.
to
Upward parabola.
parabolic.
It's a parabolic, sir.
So this is actually x square is equal to y is equal to x square. So that means y-axis. So how it looks like in this rectangular like this? Yes or no?
Yes,
Bounded.
of
So bounded region will be
Yes, sir.
what? This portion. This is your region, and this value will be 1 1. Is okay. So the given thing just I have drawn, nothing else, nothing we have done. So now I would like to change the order. So order change means we first integrate with respect to x. First first we will take the limit x is equal to what? Now see this can I write? This is suppose this line, if I draw here, this will be 1. So x varies from 0 to 1. I am writing x varies from 0 to 1. As x varies from 0 to 1, y varies from this to this. Yes or no?
0 to x square.
Y varies from 0 to 1 minus
It will be
x
0 to
square.
x square.
Yes, sir.
It will be from here, this curve to this curve. So what is this curve represent?
X
Y equals
square.
to
represent
X
x
square.
square. So this will be dx. Then y is equal to from 0 to, sorry, not 0,
X
y
square
is
to
equal to from
1.
x squared to
X square to
1,
1.
x squared to 1, then f of xy dy. So I have changed the order here to here. Is it clear?
Sir, why only the upper portion of the curve is taken?
You tell me why only the upper portion of the curve is taken.
No, sir, matlab means the region you shaded
Huh.
is the upper portion. Why not the lower portion?
This one
Yes, sir.
bounded by what? The given is bounded by what? 0 to 1. Y is equal to from 0 to 1. So bounded region will be what? This portion, na?
Yes,
What will be
sir.
the bounded region? Y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 0, x is equal to root y. Bounded by these lines means what? This portion only.
Yes, sir.
That's why. Okay. Okay. Now change of variable in double integrals. Okay, let me stop here today because I will not able to complete this. I will be having a class. So I will leave it for next class.
Sir,
Okay. हाँ बोलो.
sir, can you send more problems related to change of the limits?
I will
Yes,
send
sir.
you. I will send you. I will definitely send you. I will give you. Let me complete this first also. I will, as I have given in line integrations problems, in that way I will give you some. Okay. So one second, one thing you can do, whatever I have in mind, I am writing here. Some problems you can related to this. You can think like this. Suppose integration 0 to pi by 2 dy dx. Suppose integration 0 to pi by 2 dx, and let me write some x square. If I write that, we need to integrate y, and y is equal to from 0 to, suppose, cos x. Okay, try to do it by changing order of integration. Try to do it by changing order of integration.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
sir,
If you have any doubt, then ask me. बोलो.
yes, sir. Sir, if the question don't ask to change the integration, then we can continue with the question integration.
Listen to me. From the point of view that problems regards, in that case, suppose in your exam, simply it is given. Suppose in your exam this problem is given.
Okay.
This problem is given. This first portion. This problem. Suppose in your exam this problem is given, and nothing is. You see, simply write it down. Evaluate. You can do by changing. You cannot do by changing. If it possible without changing the integration, if you are able to integrate this, then it will be fine, no problem. But if it is given that change the order of integration and then evaluate, in that case you must have the change depending upon the problem. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
so if every side of the region is variable, then how do we find out volume of object?
I'm not getting. Repeat once again.
So if every side of the region is variable, then how do we find out the volume of object?
Every side variable means how it will be there.
So
Try to
sir,
draw.
limit of
Try to
x,
draw something.
limit of x y to 1, and if we take limit of x equal x from y to x to y to 1.
Listen to me. Any curve, suppose that this curve is given, this curve is given. this curve is given, this curve is given. Is okay? You are
Yes, sir.
saying that arbitrarily. I am arbitrarily drawing this, and this portion you have to integrate. This is your point of concern, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in that case, you see, you can easily find the point of integration, this point of intersection. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This point of integration. So when you have this point of integration, one portion you must get, na? So this point are the fixed values. This will be A, this will be B. Or you can find this portion. So any one, either of limit of x or limit of y, you will get some constant value always. You try to draw any curve, like suppose here drawing like this and this line, this curve, and suppose this is the region. So again you have the point of intersection like this, 2 point. So from you can vary this integration from here to here, here to here. You can, for this particular problem, you have to break down this, and first you need to integrate from here to here, integrate from here to here. Sometimes you may have to break the region also in 2 parts. See, integration with respect to r f of xy dy dx dy is equal to integration r1 f of xy dx dy plus integration over r2 f of xy dx dy, where r is equal to r1 plus r2. Is it okay? Okay. If we don't have any query, now let me stop here today.